Hey guys, Mike with A&M here. Today we're gonna tear down this shed. So as you can see, it's got an awning here and it's got an awning on the side right there. And then I'm gonna show you what the inside of this thing looks like. It's got two doors right here. And it actually looks like it's got a way bigger floor than originally expected. So I'm gonna have to talk to the customer about that. But yeah, that's what it looks like on the inside. So now we're gonna just tear it down. We got a record here. These are the biggest cockroaches up. Look at that one.
Ripley's, believe it or not.
Literally enormous. They don't have anywhere to go. There's so many in here. And so we got to rip off all of this. There's probably so many in here, but I just wanted to show you guys that. Same with these. This is perfect for a cockroach to hide behind. All right, we got it down. Now we gotta just keep tearing it apart, and this floor is actually a lot more layers than I originally thought too, so that's gonna be more of a pain, but we're gonna get to it. Gonna show you guys how many palmetto bugs were in here. There was a lot more, but they scattered, but there's still a ton in here. Absolutely gross. Yeah, and underneath this shed is a dead cat right there. Wow. So who knows how long that thing will spend there.
Okay, fine.
All right, guys, we got that whole shed tore down, and here's the final result. So there actually was 3 pavilions like coming off of it, and the shed itself was pretty big. As you could see in the video, there was a ton of cockroaches, but overall it wasn't too bad. We also did find a cat carcass underneath there, which was absolutely disgusting and disturbing, but I'm gonna give him a proper burial as well. And yeah, so this is the final result. So if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and we'll see you next time.